In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix card declined in PayPal. If your card is being declined when you try to pay or add funds, don't worry, this is a common issue and usually straightforward to fix. I'll walk you through the key checks and what to do at each stage so you can complete your payment with confidence. Start by carefully confirming your card details. Make sure the card number, expiration date, and CVV are entered exactly as they appear on your card. Double check the billing address too. It must match what your bank has on file, including apartment numbers and postal codes. Even a small typo can cause an instant decline. Next, confirm you have enough available funds or credit. Pending transactions, holds, or a near limit balance can cause PayPal to reject a charge, even if you think you're within your limit. If needed, clear some balance and try again. Ensure your card type is supported. PayPal works with most Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover cards. However, some prepaid, virtual, or region-specific debit cards might not be eligible. If you're unsure, ask your bank whether your card supports online payments via PayPal. If the card is new, verify it inside PayPal. Go to Wallet, select the card, and choose Confirm Card. PayPal will place a small temporary charge that includes a 4-digit code in the statement description. Enter that code to complete verification. This helps prevent declines on legitimate transactions. Check for bank or card issuer restrictions. Banks sometimes block transactions for security reasons, international use, or daily spending limits. Contact your bank and ask them to allow PayPal transactions and online or cross-border payments if applicable. If things still fail, remove the card and wallet and add it again. This refreshes the connection between your card and PayPal and often clears minor glitches. After re-adding, try the payment once more. Avoid rapid, repeated attempts. Too many declines in a short period can trigger extra security checks. If that happens, wait 24 to 48 hours before trying again. Also review your PayPal account status. Make sure your account is verified, your email and phone are confirmed, and there are no limitations. You can check this in Settings or the Resolution Center and resolve any pending requests. If the card still won't work, try another card, link a bank account, or use your PayPal balance instead. And if none of these steps solve it, go to Help and Contact to reach PayPal via live chat or phone and ask why the card is being declined.